everybody's having a great day. I know I'm starting to calm down now. We're getting something done. I got all my grandpa's bales wrapped for him this morning and afternoon. Got that barley straw the guy wanted baled done. And now we're working on this DNR property that I cut Monday. It's currently Thursday. Dad was out here this morning. It was probably about noon. He was out here and got this. He raked up about half of this, so we kind of split it because on it was kind of both ends are real nice grass, and the middle was kind of weedy. Kind of raked it up so that we get all the real nice grass baled up. Didn't really have to, but I think it's all going to look the same in a bale anyways. But we didn't want to rake it all up because there's a fair chunk here. I'll probably get it tomorrow, finished up tomorrow. I'd like to kind of go on a little bit of a rant. I won't call it a rant. Maybe a little bit of educate. We'll call it educating. About cars on the road following a tractor. Guys, I've been all over. I've been in all counties around my own. Different cities I didn't even know existed. I've been through them. Been on a lot of roads. I know a lot of roads, a lot of routes. Sometimes the road you get on isn't the road that you wanted to get on. Sometimes it's the best way and the only way. One thing that I'm kind of disliking, and I'm seeing it more and more. It just keeps happening. Is there'll be a few cars behind you, and the car directly behind you is in no hurry to pass, and they're just kind of hanging out back there, enjoying the scenery and waiting, maybe even waiting for a safe time to pass. And the guy that's behind them, or even behind the guy behind them, decides that he's too impatient to wait for the guy in front of him to pass. He's gonna pass, and he's passing everybody, whether it's safe or not. And I fear the day when I'm watching in my mirror and the guy comes flying out 2 cars behind, and the guy directly behind me decides that it's time to pass, and he pulls out and boom. And then at that rate, they're in the other lane, so what's coming the other way? Is he paying attention? Hopefully he is. But, you know, if you're going to get behind me and you're going to be patient, I really do appreciate you. You flip on your hazards, you're just going to grind it out, wait till the time comes to get past me, or I turn off, whatever. I really do appreciate you. But you know, if you have a safe time to pass, I would urge you to take that. And I hate to say it, but you got to know what the guy behind you is doing, because apparently the new thing is to pass like 3 cars at once with a tractor. So yeah, that's my little rant. Traffic has changed so much since, well, I guess I haven't been around too long. I haven't been on the roads too long. But you're just seeing more and more stuff that makes you nervous. Nervous for my sake, the people behind me's sake, the people coming, oncoming traffic, because the guy behind you can't wait a few seconds. And I get it, I know, we're all in a hurry sometimes. I'm in a hurry. You think I want to be going 27 miles per hour when I got people lined up to go? I wish this thing went 40 sometimes. 50. But they're not built for speed, they're built for working. And you know, if I get enough vehicles behind me, I will move over. I have been known to pull onto the shoulder and let the line up behind me go, even if I'm in a hurry, because you know what, I'm working, the people behind me are probably trying to get to work, and even if they're being patient, they're still trying to get to work. I really feel for semi drivers. You know, you don't realize what it's like to drive semi until you drive semi yourself. What it takes to get up to speed and all that. And sometimes if there's no cars behind me and there's a semi behind me for an extended period of time, I'll pull over and let him pass. Because he's working. He's on the clock. He wants to get to wherever he needs to go, because he's probably been driving for 7 hours or 8 hours, or maybe longer than that. But I'll shut up now, at least on that subject. Hopefully the window's not too dirty. It's probably dirty on the outside, but actually it looks like my focus isn't focusing. But it is what it is. It's an action shot. Action shot in the anthills. So tomorrow, which will be Friday the 23rd, to be honest, I don't know what's going on. We got to get some of these bales picked up. That might be right away in the morning. Probably get the semi out here, haul a couple loads wherever we go with them. Maybe, I don't know. We'll have to get the rake going again. We got some raking to do here. And then that other 13 acre piece. And I probably got about 60 to 70 acres of custom work. Custom hay to do. But we'll make it work. I got the other balers hooked up. Dad was doing a little bit today with that. I had a small about 3.5 acres that we needed to bale for a guy. So he did that. And then we got our third crop. He tried that, and that was pretty tough yet. Which the numbers he was telling me were unbelievable. That's one thing that irritates me the most is moisture content. I'll get in a field and you think it's dry and it reaches 30%, and you go, well, that can't be right. And then yesterday I was doing baleage, and then you know it's wet and it's green and the bales are coming out just greener than green, and then you're getting readings for 30%, and you're going, well, that can't even be right because this stuff's got to be wetter. But we make it go. We got the acid if we need it. Don't like using it, but it helps. So we're gonna pound away for a little while yet, and then someone's gonna come get me. And as soon as the dew's off tomorrow morning, we can start up again. Probably oh man, I'll have to do some planning overnight. Plus I do that, I could always send Dad somewhere too. The joys of having two balers. You can always have both running. And actually, that might be what we do tomorrow. Now we'll see. I'll talk to Dad. We'll get the rest of this stuff raked tomorrow. And at least they get whatever I got baled picked up. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see what. We're not talking rain till Sunday or Monday. It's probably going to be like late Sunday, early Monday morning. I don't really know. But, got to get them picked up regardless. Or at least, yeah. got to get them picked up. I said we can always stack them in the field and try and cover them up. Even if you get them stacked up 4 high, nice and tight, get a little, the top bales get a little wet, that ain't a big deal. A couple hours of sunshine and they're nice and dry again. These bales are pretty tight, so. But alright, I guess that's enough of me rambling, and I'm sure you guys are sick of looking at the baler and whatnot. Take care, we'll see you, hopefully see you next video.